So here we have a 35-inch traffic advisor light bar. This carries 144 LED amber, which is yellow strobe lights. This is for emergency, warning, flashing, safety, and it fits on the interior of the vehicle, rear windshield or windshield. It has directional arrows for construction vehicles, snowplow trucks, and it's also great for taxis, Uber, delivery drivers, whoever needs to be extra cautious on the road in dangerous conditions. Gives you that extra edge in safety. Now this has quite a few different features and patterns. Of course, you got left and right, and also the center splits in the middle like a hazard light. You could do custom lighting modes, or you have up to 20 plus patterns, which can go for nice and easy or flicker very quickly, and it gets attention and keeps you safe. Now the installation is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You plug it into a AC adapter in the car, the vehicle lighter plug, and it comes with plenty of cable to run to the front of the car, the control panel, with a sticky pad, and you can control it with ease. Installation is a breeze. Suction cup design, which is very easy to apply and remove to transfer from vehicle to vehicle. And this thing is super bright, super professional looking in the daytime, and in the nighttime it's even brighter. So you have 26 different patterns. You have the display, which shows you exactly what the light bar is doing from inside the car. This way there's no guesswork. And you also have the quick select directional buttons and the on and off switch. So this is multi-purpose use. Yellow is good and legal to use just as a cautionary light. If you just want to get those tailgaters off your butt, then you could just signal caution and they'll go around you. And this works great for delivery drivers, app delivery drivers. You're pulling up to houses, you're going kind of slow, you're about to stop. You want to avoid people getting angry at you or accidents. You just flash this and let them know your clear intentions, and it's a lot less stress-free stopping and pulling out whichever you're planning to do. So this is a great product, easy to install, well built, and if you need something like this is a great product to consider and even purchase. Thanks for watching.